निजी कंपनियों को जो नॉन कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स को स्टॉक एक्सचेंज पर रखती हैं, उनको लिस्टेड कंपनियों के रूप में नहीं माना जाएगा, लेकिन भारतीय कंपनियों को, इंडियन पब्लिक कंपनीज को ये अधिकार दिया जाएगा कि वो जायज विदेशी अधिकार क्षेत्र में अब पब्लिक कंपनीज को डायरेक्टली लिस्ट करवा सकती हैं, सिक्योरिटीज को डायरेक्टली लिस्ट करवा सकती हैं, उसकी अनुमति उनको दी जाएगी।
The next one relates to a major step in that we would like to announce a public sector enterprise policy. An Atmanirbhar Bharat needs a coherent policy. All sectors will be open to private sectors also. Public sector enterprises will continue to play an important role in defined areas. We need a coherent policy because sometimes you opened up some sectors in piecemeal. This sector is open but not that. That sector has always been with public sector, it shall be with public sector. It's never available for others. So, we are coming up with a coherent policy wherein private sector will be allowed to participate in every sector available, but of course public sector will continue, and they will continue to play a very critical role. And public sector, when I say public sector, I mean public sector enterprises. Public sector enterprises will continue to play a very important role, and we shall now define the areas in which their presence will be impactfully felt. So the Government of India will announce a new policy which will broadly categorize strategic sectors and the others. And the strategic sectors in which the PSE, public sector enterprises, will be present will be notified. In those notified sectors where PSB, public sector enterprises will be present, at least one public sector enterprise will be present in those sectors which get notified